My dear children, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Peace be upon you. Home tutor is with you. This we are going to start lesson 21. Wahid wa Shreen. As-Suq. I think As-Suq, yes. Al-Suq. We will not read, we will read as-suq because this is the proper noun with the al and the sin is the sun letter. That's why we will read the al silent or lam silent, as-suq, the market. And before starting, there is one request that my daughter has started one channel, cooking channel, Cooking with Inaya. It is just like a student channel. I was saying to her to add her videos in this channel, but she said no, I will start separately. So Cooking with Inaya. So I will request you, please subscribe it and like this channel and see what she is uploading. She is a student and you are a student. She is grade 5 student in GEMS in Indian school, United Indian School. So this is the shopping center. Now let's start. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Zahabtu yawman ma asdiqai ila al-qilal hamrai fi Dahli wa shahadna al-asar tarikhiyah fiha. Zahabtu, I went. Okay. Yawman, one day. Ma, with. Astaqai, with my friend. Ili, to. Qila, fort. Hamra, red. Fi, in. Dahli, Dahli. Wa shahadna, wa, and. Shahadna, and we saw. Al-asar, the monument. At-tarikhiyah, historical. Fiha, in it. Okay. So what is the translation? One day I went with my friends to the Red Fort in Delhi and we saw historical monument in it. Indama kharajna minha wa mashayna ila al-yasari ra'ayna amnan shariyan kabiran wa mustaqiman ba'da isharati al-murur. So indama, when, kharajna, we come out, minha, from it, wa, and, mashayna, we walked, ilal yasar, to, ili means to, al yasar, this left, raina, we saw, amna, in front, sharian, road, kabiran, big, wa mustaqiman, this mustaqiman, this straight, bad, after, ishara al-murur, after the traffic signal. Okay, this is the isharat al-murur, traffic signal. So when we came out from it and we walked to the left and we saw in front of us a big and straight street or road after the traffic signal. Understand? Sharia means street or the road. في هذا الشارع سوق كبيرة وشهيرة باسم Chandni Chowk. Okay. In the road, this is a big and famous market with the name Chandni Chowk. في هذا الشارع, in this road, سوق الكبير, سوق means market, kabir means big, سوق الكبيرة, big market, وشهيرة, and the famous, باسم, with the name, this it should be Chandni Chowk. This is the Chandni Chowk. Okay, so Chandni Chowk. تبع هذا السوق تبع هذه السوق من بداية هذه الشارع وتنتهي إلى المسجد فتابوري The market starts from the start of the road and ends at the Masjid Fatehpuri. Taba means start. Hazihi suq, this market. Min bada, min badaya, from the start. Hazi sharik, from the start of this road. Watantahi, and it ends ili Masjid Fatehpuri. This is bu. Pa is not there. P is not there in Arabic. That's why Buri. So Eli to Masjid Fatehpuri. This is also masjid made by this in last lesson Mughals. Last lesson we read about Mughal. Fiha dukanin kasira. Dakakin kasira. In it, dakakin, there are the shops. Okay, there is the plural noun. Dukan, dakakin. Dukan is singular, dakakin is the plural. Kasira, very much. Wa mahlat, and the stores. Mukhtalifatun fi kilal janibin, both sides. Okay. In this, there are many different shops and stores. This is the typing mistake. Stores on both sides. يمكن أن نشتري أشياء مختلفة مثل الساعات والألوان والأحذية والحقائب والثياب وغيرها. It is possible. Yamkan, it is possible to buy. Nashtari, to, or we buy. Okay, to buy for us or to we buy. Ashya, the thing. Mukhtalifa, different. Misal, like saat, watches. Alwani, utensil. Ahziya, this shoes. Haqaib, bags. Wasiyab, and the garments or the dresses, and ghairaha, and others. Okay, it is possible for us to buy different things like watches, utensils, and shoes, and bags, and garments, or dress. Understand? Siyab means garment or dress, and others. Sirna fi tariq وأردنا أن نعبر أشار ولكن شرطي المرور منع وقال. Understand? We walked or moved. Sirna, we walked or moved. Fi tariq, in the road. Wa urudna, and we wanted. An, to nabura, to cross the road. Walakinna, but the shurti, the policeman or the traffic police, mana. Okay, mana means this stopped, and call, and said. So we walked or moved on the road or the way and wanted to cross the road, but the traffic police stopped us and said. Understand? What said? لا تعبروا الشارع حين تكون الإشارة حمراء فوقفنا وعبرنا بعدها أن أصبحت الإشارة خضراء. Don't cross the road when or at the time when the signal is red. So we stopped and we crossed after the signal become green. Understand? Heen. Understand? Heen takun. So, heen la tabur ashara, heen takun al ishara. Don't cross the road means, heen means when or at the time. Understand? When or at the time when. Just remember, this is new word. Heena means when or at the time when. Takun means become, ishara hamra, the signal become red. Fawaqafna, understand? So we stopped. Wa abarna, and we crossed. Bad means after, and to asbahat. Al ishara khizra. Asbahat means to become the signal green. Dakhalna fi dukan ahziyatin. Ahziyatin. Okay. We entered in a shoes shop. Aghzatu hizan. Fi yadi faqdima ilayna rajulun waqal. I took a shoes. Aghzatu, I took or I pick. Understand? Both things will come. I took or I picked. A shoe in my hand. Hiza, aghzatu, hiza fi yadi, in my hand. Yadi, my hand. Fa qadima, so ilayna rajulun waqal. So rajul means man, ilayna towards us. Okay, fa qadima, so walked. So what it will be? I took a shoe in my hand, then or so a man came to us and he said, La talmas, don't touch. Man fazlak, you are welcome. Understand? La talmas, don't touch. Fazlak means you are welcome or please. Tafazzalu wa ajlasu. Tafazzal means you are welcome. Fazlak means please. So tafazzalu wa ajlasu huna. You are welcome and sit means tajlasuwa means for many they are saying you sit there. Hina here, huna here, wa ana asaidu, and I will help you. Kam fi ikhtiyar al-aghziya. Saadikum fi ikhtiyar al-aghziya. I will help you in choosing the shoes. So you are welcome and you sit here. I'll help you in choosing or selecting the shoes. Ikhtiyar means choosing or selecting. Asarun sabitun. Fala tatlabu takhfiz. Okay, we have fixed the price. Asar means price. Okay, sabita means fixed. Fala tatlabu, so don't tatlabwa, because they are talking, he is talking with many, so tatlabwa, so don't ask. Okay, takhfiz, discount. So we have fixed the price, so don't ask for the discount. Ashtarina majmuatan min al-aghziya. We bought many from the shoes. Understand? Majmua means many. Bazalak tajuha ilal mahal. After that we went to the ilal mahal. Raymond lishra siyab walakin qala Ahmadul Azdaqai. But after zalak that Tajjana means we walked or we went or we towards Ili to Mahal shop. Raymond, this is the brand name of cloth or dress. Lishara, to buy. Al Siyab, the dress or the garment. Walakin, but. And Qala, said. Ahadu al Asdaqai, one of my friend. So after that we went to the Raymond shop. to buy dress or garment, but one of my friends said, La tadkhalu haza dukan, don't enter to this shop. Okay, La tadkhalwa, because again tadkhal, they are not saying don't enter you, they are saying don't for many. So tadkhalwa. Line, because, understand, because hazi, haza, because it is. Waqt aghlaqi, closing time. Understand? So what is this? Don't enter to this shop because it is its closing time. Honaka Suq Krishna. Understand? There is a Krishna market. Qaribatun min huna. From here, near, from here. There is a Krishna market. From here, near, from here. Okay, near I forget to write. Fiha Dakakin, there are kasira, there are many shops. Li sayab, for the garments. Wahiya maftuha hatta lel, and in that there are many garment shop and it is open till the night. Hatta lel, till the night. Maftuha means open. Okay, so this was our chapter. We have finished. Now the exercises are very easy. All are only from your text. Only just if you will read and understand, so you can by yourself write. Tamarin exercises. Ajab alal aslaha al-atiya. Answer the following questions. Atiya means following. Okay. Ma means what. Ismul suq. What is the name of the famous market? Shahira, famous. Qarib Qila al-Hamra, near the Red Fort. Fi Delhi, in Delhi, Red Fort. So what we will do? Whole sentence till here we will take. As-Suq al-Shahira, Qalbul Qila al-Hamra fi Delhi. What is the name of? Chandni Chowk. Okay, Chandni Chowk. Understand? So min aina tabal suq wa ili aina tantahi, from where the market starts and to where it ends. So tabal suq, see tabal suq. Understand? Bidal sharia, bidal sharia wa tantahi. Bidal sharia, road starts from the road starts wa tantahi and ends at the Masjid Fatehpuri. Okay, and ends at the Masjid Fatehpuri. Ma al ashya yamkun an nashtariha min haza suq. See, we just read this, learned that there are the watches, there are the clothes, there are the shoes, there are the bags, there are other things and the utensils. All the things only you have to write. What you have to do? Al ashya allati yamkun nashtariha min haza suq. The things which are possible to buy from it, from this suq, are what? This you write it. Okay. Maza qala al-shurti lil awlad indama aburul shara. What said the policeman to the children when they were crossing the road? Qala al-shurti, the policeman said, La tabur al-shara heen, don't cross the road until when the ishara is red, or when the ishara becomes red. Okay. Aina taqal suq Karishna, when is located or situated. Taqa means located or situated. The shara Karishna was suq al Karishna, Karishna market. Taqa suq Karishna qarib min al mahal Raymond. So the Krishna market is located near the Raymond shop. Imla faragat, fill in the blanks. See again, this is coming, this is the practice. Fi'l amr, la tabur. Understand? La tabur. But these are with the do and don't do. Understand? So what we say in the English, so just think, don't do wherever, but this is the order. So la ta'abur ashara hin takun ishara al hamra. Okay, don't cross the road when the signal is becomes red or is red. La ta'khuz, don't take ayy shay bighair izn. Don't take anything without permission. Izn means permission. Okay, bighair, without. La tatlabu al takhfiz. Okay, don't ask the discount. La tadkhul hazal bayt, don't enter in this house. Iktibwa fil karasa wa la taktabwa fil kutub, write in the registers or books, okay, this copies, and don't write, okay, don't write in the books, because for many taktabwa, all are these are fi'l amr. इक़रा माइली वज़ा खम्स सही सीगा नहीं मुफर्रद वल खमस अल उखरा लिल जमिया मिम्मा याती. See now what we have to make this with these, all are this same like this fi'l amr. So mufrad and jama and use for the muzakkar or what we have to write it. So fi'l tajlis. Okay, so this is the tajlis. So what we will make this la tajlis, this is for the mufrad, for the singular. La tajliswa we use for the jama, okay, for many. So this is the only use for the muzakkar. Understand? La takhrajwa, this is takhraj. So la takhraj for the mufarrad, la takhrajwa for the jama we use. Tadkhal, la tadkhal for the jama, this mufrad, this I wrote, this is the wrong, it should be here mufrad. La tadkhalwa, this is the jama. Understand? This is the mufrad, this is the jama. La tamnuwa, okay, la tamna mufarrad, la tamnuwa for the jama. La ta'alma jama, la ta'amal for the mufrad. La tasmawa jama or plural, la tasma for the singular. Understand? So now ikhtaraj afal nahi min al haza daras, this negative verbs you have to, or not to do verbs you have to find out from this lesson. So this was our 21 lesson. We have finished, alhamdulillah, and inshallah very soon I will give you, or if you want any lesson just tell me, I will help you. Thank you very much, and please subscribe this channel and tell to your friends also, all even the friends to other schools also you tell. Thank you very much. Bye bye.